Alright, so if you're telling somebody you're going to talk to them later, alright, I'm going to holler at you.
You have a lot of ways. Remember you did the one who said, tomorrow's?
Yeah, end of tomorrow's.
I said, me link you.
Me link you.
Meal.
Meal ink you.
Like meal, like I just had a meal.
Meal.
Link you later.
Oh, link.
Yeah.
Me link you.
Yeah.
Me link you later.
They can't say meal. Meal. You have to say the meal.
Meal.
Yeah.
Link you later.
Yeah, meal is I will contracted.
Me will.
Yeah, me will link you later. Meal.
I'm really good at phonics and like grammar. And that one just is not a contraction. We're literally learning contractions this week. Me will, meal is a new one. That's a new one. I have not heard of that one.
This is the land
Me
of my
link you
birth.
later. This is the land of my birth. Next word. When somebody like acting like a baby or like they're a man and they're acting like a female.
Try me.
Try me.
Sorry.
You call them a punk or a sissy or like a bad word.
Okay. Not try me.
Not like that type of acting like a female. Like with their like attitude.
Oh, okay.
Johnny? You like try me?
Then my bait.
Be it.
Bait. B-A-I-T. Like fish bait.
Girl, bait. Beat. Beat. Beat.
Bait.
Girl. So be it. What are you talking about? You don't like fish bait. No, I don't know.
B-A-I-T.
Bait. Hey, I say hey. So let me ask you this. I'm supposed to be at work at 7. I'm still on the road at 7:06. I'm running
Late.
late.
When I said late,
When's the last time the baby
eat.
ate? Eat is present tense.
I know, but we would have said, when last the baby eat?
Even when you talking about yourself?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I ate around.
Yeah, me eat around 3 o'clock.
Me eat around.
When I really use 8 that much, you know.
Do y'all say anything past tense?
When last you eat, me eat around 2 o'clock.
Okay.
We eat last year for Thanksgiving.
Me ate.
No, me eat. I'm chopped.
Me eat. We're done.